Well, this is what we woke up to this morning.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
It's raining. The sky isn't clear. We sure need it here in California. It's been raining so little. Well, like we're always in a drought. But today it's nice and wet. All the plants are wet. Let's see what it looks like. Hard to believe that rain looks like anymore. Yep, first thing he does, step in the puddle. That's a boy. Battery's about to run out, so I'm going to take as much as I can of this film. Here's a beautiful bougainvillea. You can see the lights are still on, it's so dark out here. Oh, come on guys, let's go walk before we can. Take our little morning jaunt before we eat breakfast. Check the manhole cover. We have patches of grass here, but not very much. Star's trying to reach for something. Oh yes, I'm finding it. It's wet, but I'll put up with it till I can find it. Teacher's saying, "What you got? What you got?" And now they're both checking out the spot. I can't see it, but they can see it. Alright, I'm almost out of power, so have yourself a very good day from California, and now you see what it's like for us.
Hi, this is Garrett. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.